If you are a health-conscious person selling a supplement brand, you know all about harmful additives like magnesium stearate, seed oils, and carrageenan. Perhaps you don't know that these additives can make it into your capsules without even being listed on the label. Maybe you thought it was illegal. Or maybe you thought oversight organizations would protect you. Think again. Many contract manufacturers don't even know how to avoid this. They will tell you with a straight face it's not in there. That's right. Often the chemicals have become so ubiquitous that even contract manufacturers and brand owners themselves don't know that it's in the product. Here at PureNSM, we believe in transparency and honesty. We guarantee to never use unwanted flow agents or additives behind your back. In addition, all of our products are very GMP-verified, giving your customers peace of mind. Call today to speak with one of our knowledgeable team members or click the link below to get a free quote.
Here at PureNSM, we believe in transparency and honesty. We guarantee to never use unwanted flow agents or additives behind your back. In addition, all of our products are very GMP verified, giving you, the customer, peace of mind. Call today to speak to one of our knowledgeable team members.